Welding, a $50 billion industry. Each year, $7 billion are lost on rework activities and delays due to client dissatisfaction with quality assurance and control. The cause is poor management of welding documentation. The solution is software from C-Spec and TWI. With this, you can generate, verify and select welding procedures and welder qualifications to the latest national and international standards. Ensure your personnel certifications are accurate and current. Avoid costly, unnecessary requalifications. Manage your NDE and inspection reports. Integrate your production welding documentation with procedures, welder qualifications and NDE reports. Quickly resolve contractual, code-related issues and demonstrate your compliance with specifications and codes. For companies of any size, whether your business is construction, petrochemical, aerospace, food processing, health services, defense, or power generation, C-Spec and TWI off-the-shelf ready-to-use software will meet your productivity and quality needs. Save time. Fast, simple, easy-to-use software. Save money. Improve productivity and eliminate delays, stoppages and arguments. Improve quality. Meet customer, code and your own quality requirements. Improve your company's image, win more work and stay ahead of the competition. Leading-edge industry standard software from C-Spec and TWI. With over half a century of welding expertise and 17 years of commercial software development experience. C-Spec and TWI. Call us today.